Hello everyone, this is my homework. My name is, my name is, because I've, LA, LA, 9025050, 9025050. Hold on, turn over, tell her I miss her, tell her I miss her. Watch name, good chill, good chill. Can't you do it? Can't you do it? I let you know. I let you know. Haven't you? No, not yet. Haven't you? No, not yet. Yes, you are. Yes, you are. Bless you. Bless you. Can you rest, sir? Can you rest, sir? Let him get a car for you. Let him get a car for you. Did you shit? Did you shit? How did you like it? How did you like it? Could you tell? Could you tell? Where did you send the check? Where did you send the check? How's your family? How's your family? Who's a friend? Who's a friend? Where's your mom? Where's mom? Where's birthday? Where's birthday? Thank you for the listen. Goodbye.